this question here. Denominators are the same. So if they are the same, in the answer they must remain the same. So I know from this question that the denominator of the answer must be 10. Then I add the two top numbers. So that must be 1 plus 1 must be 2 over 10. Okay. Okay. This one, the denominators are the same. So when they're the same, they must remain the same. So that I know the answer will have a denominator of 15. Because if they're the same, they must remain the same. That means that I just have to equate and deal with the numerators. 3 minus 1 give me 2. Okay. 215. If they're the same, remain the same. Okay. Okay. Now let's go on. Okay. So now let's look at these questions. Now 1 over 14 plus 2 over 7. Now they are not the same. But you have to ask yourself, what is same rules apply. What is the lowest common multiple of 7 and 14? 7 times table goes 7, 14. 14 times table goes 14 and 28. Clearly it's 14. So the new denominator will have denominator 14. So in other words, that's already 14. So only this has to change. This is the case where one is a multiple of the others. Only this one changes. So lowest common multiple of 7 and 14, we know that's going to be 14. So the new denominator, or you could use primes. So lowest common multiple of 7 and 14 is 14. So using primes, you can work out a prime factorization of each of those numbers and follow the rules for lowest common multiple, which is primes in both, all the primes. So you take all the primes, and that'll be 2 and 7, and that'll be 14. So then you now know the lowest common multiple is 14. So that means that the new denominators will be 14. That's already 14, so that does not change. That remains the same. Plus, to get from 7 to 14, I must times by 2. Okay, that means if I times this by 2 to make the denominator 14, I must do the same to the top. So the top must also be multiplied by 2. And this fraction changes and becomes 7 times 2, 14. 2 times 2, 4. Now the denominators are the same. So when they're the same, in the answer they remain the same. So they remain the same, 14, and 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay.